Hi everyone, this is Sindrik from Czech DC9 project. DC9 is located just right of me. That's the projector screen, and I can call myself a MiG-21 Czech MiG-21 project. And this is the first panel, is the right engine panel from the MiG-21 with all the cables connected, which are going right here, and to these new boards which we designed for the MiG with the things that we know from the DC9. So this is no longer a prototype. This is a thing that should be clean and perfect. On the screen you can see there is MiG-21 from DCS World, Digital Combat Simulator. And what I will do is I'll turn on the battery, and you can see the interaction with so I'm turning the battery now, and you see all the lights are shining. I can press the test switch, so that is working this way, and I can also start the engine because all the other instruments are also working. I just need to flip some switches here, and if you look here, if that light comes up, then that means that the engine is starting, and the N2 and N1 RPM should start the race. The hydraulic pressures will start the race, and all the lamps will start to be shining different way. So the clicking is going from the fuel indicator, because you can set how many fuel you have in the airplane, and once 3.33 liters are consumed, it will click. Now this is when the engines are running, and when one of the engine is running, and I can try to add a thrust. And this is a full thrust. We're in the grass because we were on the full afterburner, and the aircraft cannot be stopped that way. And I will now turn off the engine. How it looks like.